There's a quiet discomfort that shows up when something familiar no longer fits. Old habits, old roles, old ways of thinking that once helped you move forward, but now feel heavy. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers permission to acknowledge that growth changes what we need, and that change doesn't require an apology. You're allowed to outgrow what once served you. This quote reminds us that usefulness has seasons. What supported you at one point in your life may not belong in the next. Outgrowing something doesn't mean it was wrong. It means it did its job, and you did the growing. We often stay attached to what's familiar out of loyalty or fear. Fear of disappointing others, fear of uncertainty, fear that letting go invalidates the past. But growth isn't a rejection of what was. It's a response to who you're becoming. When you allow yourself to outgrow what no longer fits, space opens, energy returns, choices feel lighter. You begin to align your life with the present instead of managing the past. That alignment brings clarity, not because everything is certain, but because it's honest. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one belief, habit, or expectation that feels outdated. Instead of forcing yourself to maintain it, ask whether it still supports who you are now. Let that awareness guide your next step. Carry that permission with you as the day unfolds. You don't owe permanence to what once helped you. Growth is allowed to change the shape of your life. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Growth honors the past, and clarity comes from allowing change. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.